Why is it that you keep uploading videos but nobody's watching? Your thumbnail looks good, your topic seems interesting, but the views just won't come. Today, I'm going to break down the real reason your YouTube channel isn't getting attention in 2025, and most importantly, how you can fix them right now so that people can finally start clicking and start watching and start subscribing to your channel. Stick with me to the end, because I will share one secret fix that changed my own channel. The mistakes you are making. You are creating videos for yourself, not the audience. Too many small creators upload what they like, not what people are searching for. If nobody is searching, nobody will find it. So here is what you do. Use YouTube search. See what people are asking. Tools like search, suggest already show you what viewers want. Point number 2. This is your mistake number 2. Weak thumbnails and titles. The algorithm doesn't show your videos more if people don't click. CTR, meaning click-through rate, is your first battle. What you do, use bold titles, emotional triggers, big readable text, contrast colors. Don't just write your topic, make it a promise. Here is your mistake number 3. Short watch time. Even if people click, if they leave after 30 seconds, YouTube stop pushing it. Your watch time. So here is how to fix it. Hook them in the first 15 seconds. Use stories, ask questions, promise a solution at the end. Here is your mistake number 4. Inconsistent uploads. Uploading once this month, then disappearing next month is equal dead channel. YouTube favors consistent channels. So here is what you will do. Pick a schedule you can stick to. Even if it's one video weekly, it will beat random uploads. Mistake number 5 is no clear niche or audience. Viewers get confused when your channel is all over the place. YouTube can't figure out who to recommend your videos to. So here is what you will do. Choose one niche. Teach YouTube who you serve, then expand later. Secret fix: how to make YouTube push you. YouTube doesn't hate small creators. It tests every videos with a small audience. If you win in that test, that is, you have good CTR plus good watch time, YouTube commends you further. So secret: instead of spamming like links everywhere, focus on making your video so engaging that even a small test audience finishes it. That's how you scale. So if you have been wondering why nobody is watching your videos in 2025, now you know. It's not luck. It's not that YouTube hates you. It's these mistakes. Fix them and your views will start climbing. If you found this helpful, don't leave yet. Watch my next video here. I will show you the exact strategy to grow your channel. Even if you are under 1,000 subscribers, I'll see you there.